Natalie checking back in from National No Prep Racing Association. And in this next video, we got some more, you guessed it, small tire racing, small tires, fast cars, racing!
National No Prep race fans, we're here at Beach Bend National Raceway Park, and I'm here with Next Motorsports. Your name?
Isaac Preston.
Preston. Hey, can you tell us a little bit about your car, Frankenstein?
It's a 1993 Ford Mustang, Ford Frankenstein. It's got Frankenstein engine dynamics, top end package on it, 427 Thompson Motorsports short block in it, 106 millimeter turbo in it, precision turbo, poly EFI. We built the whole chassis at our shop, Next Motorsports Race Cars. It's one of the baddest no prep cars in the country on 2025.
What class will you be entering today?
Tonight will be the small tire no prep shootout. Tomorrow will be the Elite 8 or the Locals 8 deal. We'll see how it goes. Right now it's undefeated on no prep.
Excellent. Where can fans follow your page? You have a social media?
Yeah, we got social media. Next Motorsports Race Cars or my personal page, Isaac Preston. Or we just started a YouTube channel. It's NMR. Josh, where's our YouTube channel?
Next Racing Channel.
Next Racing Channel.
Next Racing Channel.
Check it out. We're just getting started, so we're getting out there a little bit.
All right. Good luck on today's event, and we're looking forward to see your car go down the track. Thank you. Anybody, any shout out to your teammates?
Cam Motion. Cam Motion is a sponsor for me. Frankenstein. I got a teammate, Logan Duval, Trevor Fuquay. We all run together and stuff. Both of our cars run really well also. So hopefully one of us can bring it home.
Excellent. Thank you so much, and good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, let me ask fans that want to follow Next Motorsport Race Cars, where can they look you all up?
We're on Facebook, Next Motorsports Race Cars. Also have a TikTok at Frankenstein 91 93 89. We also have a YouTube channel that just started. It's called Next Racing.
Next Racing.
Next Racing channel. But they can go follow us on any of that social media.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, buddy.
Good luck. He has to take off very slow. Yeah.